Hey everyone, Greg here. This article I wrote was 1 month ago, baseball player chains, and now it ranks as the answer box within Google. So I want to go over exactly how I got into the answer box so quick. And the first thing I want to share is my rankings. So you can see here 1 month ago, it was position 11, and now it's position 1. So position 11 means page 2 of Google, top of it, so first listing. And now 1 means page 1, position 1. So a couple things. I recommend checking out the SEO workshop that I go over how to find keywords like this to rank within Google. So if you've already checked out that, and I'll include that as a link actually within the description, but if you've already checked out that video, a couple things just to highlight. H1 tag here is baseball player chains. That's the primary keyword. So really what I did here is you can use a tool or browser like Edge or Chrome or Firefox to inspect the elements. You can see the H1 tag here is baseball player chains. I'm telling Google that this is what this content is about. If I zoom out a bit so you can read this a little bit better, this image right here, if I inspect it as well, it's saved as the name and the alt tag matches up. So it's giving Google and Bing more information about the content that I cover. Real quick, one thing that's worked really well from my side is that I embed videos. Since my site is a sports website, if I can find videos on YouTube that really encompass my topic really well, I'm going to embed them directly from YouTube onto my site. So for two reasons. One is that it's a link back out to someone else. So Google likes to see that because you don't want to be an island. You want to be very inclusive. So if there's a good piece of content, like let's say someone did a good infographic or some really interesting stat that they wanted to share on their website, or a video, which is what I did, you're kind of giving them credit. And it also matches your content. And then the second thing too is that this actually gives a really good um, more context for the reader as well. So I go over baseball player chains. I go over Yoenis Cespedes, how his necklace broke when he slid into second base at Citi Field, the whole issue with that. It's good because I talk about it in my content, but then I also include it as well within a video. So all in all, I recommend checking out the SEO workshop because again, I go over how to find topics like this to rank, and there is volume around these keywords. Just because the tool like SEMrush says there's only 720 searches each month for the phrase, there's actually more than that because it includes all different variations as well. So it could say like best baseball player chains, top baseball player chains, um, you know, uh, maybe like expensive baseball player chains, why do athletes wear necklaces, all that kind of stuff. It's just one keyword I'm tracking, but it actually covers an entire topic in such a broader sense. And then real quick, what's interesting with an SEMrush is you can see when I was ranking a little bit lower, I got about maybe 1 visit per day, and now I'm up to 8 per day for this one keyword. So again, if you have multiple keywords ranking for a page, you're going to start driving more than simply just a handful of visits per month. You're going to start driving tens, if not hundreds of visits when you do search analysis that I'll go over again. I'll link out within the this video so you can watch. So thank you very much for watching.